house with a shiny floor lived Tum the cat who loved to roar, and Jerry the mouse so small and quick, with tiny paws and a clever trick. Each morning bright when the sun would rise, Jerry would open his sleepy eyes. He'd tiptoe softly across the hall, nibbling cheese so round and small. But Tum would wake with a giant yawn, stretching his whiskers at early dawn. "I smell a mouse," he'd loudly cry, "I'll catch that rascal by and by." Off he'd dash with a swish and a slide, slipping on rugs he couldn't hide. Jerry would giggle, "You're too slow," and zip through places Tum can't go. Under the table, over a chair, through a basket of laundry in the air, Tum would tumble into a heap, while Jerry would laugh and never weep. One day Jerry made a plan, "Let's see if Tum can catch me, if he can." He tied a string to a rolling shoe and watched what silly Tum would do. Tum leaped high with a mighty bound, but landed flat upon the ground. A pie flew up, and oh, what a sight! It covered Tum in cream so white. Jerry squeaked with chew for glee, "You look like a cake with paws, hee hee." Tum just sneezed and shook his head, with creamy frosting on his tread. But when the thunder began to boom and lightning flashed across the room, Jerry trembled, oh so small, and hid behind the kitchen wall. Tum saw Jerry's tiny fright and softly said, "It's just the night." He sat beside him calm and near, and whispered, "You don't have to fear." The storm soon passed, the sky turned blue, and Tum said, "What say we start anew?" Jerry smiled with sparkling eyes, "Let's share some cheese and apple pies." So though they chase and run all day and play their silly games that way, deep inside, as you can see, they're best of friends like you and me. And if you listen late at night, you might just hear their paws so light, not fighting